Alright, let's now evaluate and find the Laplace transform of e raised to at. Again, we will use the integral from 0 to infinity of the exponential term e raised to negative st times the function of time dt that we are going to convert to the s domain, which in this case is ito, e raised to at. So, e raised to at dt. So, let's evaluate this definite integral para malaman natin yung Laplace transform of e raised to at. So, let's proceed. So, since this have the same base e, we can rewrite this as the integral from 0 to infinity of e raised to, unahin natin yung positive, at minus st dt. Then, from here, we can factor out the variable t. So, from 0 to infinity, e raised to, factoring out the variable t, we will have a minus s t dt. And from here, we have a simple definite integral, and let's evaluate this definite integral. So, let's use u substitution. So, let u is equal to this, so it will become a minus s t. And taking the derivative, we will have du is equal to, derivative of t is 1, so this will become a minus s. Since we derive with respect to t, lagay natin dt. Then solving for dt, dt is equal to du over a minus s. So, we will simply substitute dito. So, it's equal to the integral from 0 to infinity of e raised to u, since nag-substitute na tayo ng variable. And then dt is equal to du over a minus s. So, du over a minus s. Then, para hindi na tayo mahirapan, let's factor this out of the integral sign. So, we will have 1 over a minus s integral from 0 to infinity of e to the u du. And recalling from your integral formula, integration formulas, the integral of e to the u du is simply e to the u. Walang nagbago. So, we will have 1 over, this is a minus s times e to the u. Then evaluate this from 0 to infinity. But before we evaluate that from 0 to infinity, let's revert back to the original variable. We know that u is equal to a minus s times t. So this will become 1 over a minus s times e to the, yung u is equal to a minus st. So a minus s t. Then evaluate this from 0 to infinity. From here, let's continue. So 1 over 1 over a minus s times e raised to, yung upper limit muna, substitute natin sa t. This will become a minus s times infinity minus e raised to, substitute naman natin yung lower limit sa t. So this will become a minus s times 0. Pwede natin gawin, from a minus s, factor out natin yung negative sign. So this will become 1 over a minus s e raised to negative s minus a times infinity, pati dun sa kabila, s minus a times 0. From here, makikita natin that this is e raised to negative s minus a infinity. So, again, we can rewrite this as 1 over a minus s 1 over e raised to s minus a times infinity minus, and from here, kita natin that it's multiplied to 0, and anything raised to 0, magiging 0 lang to. So, e raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, we can write that as 1 na. And again, 1 raised to a significantly large value kasi s minus a times infinity yan. So, magiging e raised to a significantly large value. So, 1 over a big value or infinity is equal to, approximately equal to 0. So, from here, we will have 1 over a minus s times negative 1. And applying this negative sign dito sa fraction na to, pwede nating gawing 1 over s minus a. Magpapalit lang ng sign yung dalawa kasi ipapasok natin yung negative sign doon sa denominator. Okay? So, remember that your formula, this is your formula number 3. Number 3. The Laplace transform of e raised to 80, kung saan a is any real number. It can be 3, negative 2.75. Basta any real number is equal to 1 over s minus a. And to further clarify and understand this formula, let's try some easy practice problems. So, let's proceed. Applying the formula na e raised to 80 is equal to 1 over s minus a. A ay kahit anong real number. So, we have here the Laplace transform of e raised to 3t. Ang a natin dito ay 3. So, applying the formula, 1 over s minus a. So, s minus, ano yung a natin dito? Which is 3. Okay. So, next, dali lang, no? Just, alam mo na yung formula, you just need to apply. So, from here, the Laplace transform of 2 times e raised to negative 60. So, pwede natin gawin, we can factor out the constant, labas natin sa Laplace transform operator. So, we can rewrite this as 2 times the Laplace transform of e raised to negative 60. And from here, ang a natin ay equal sa negative 6. So, applying the formula, huwag nyo kalilimutan yung constant sa labas, 2 times 1 over s minus a, in which a is negative 6. Then, simplifying this, we will have 2 over s minus negative 6 is simply s plus 6. Okay. And finally, for this one, pwede nating i-distribute yung Laplace transform operator dito sa 3e raised to 2t plus 4e raised to negative 90 para lang siyang integral sign. So, distributing this, distribute natin. So, the Laplace transform of 3e raised to 2t plus the Laplace transform of 4e raised to negative 90. And then, pwede nating i-factor out yung mga constant sa Laplace transform operator. So, magiging 3 times the Laplace transform of e raised to 2t plus 4 Laplace transform of e raised to negative 9t. And then, gamitin natin yung formula to. 1 over s minus a. So, dito ang a natin is 2. So, we will have 3 times 1 over s minus a, in which a is equal to 2 plus 4 times 1 over s minus a, in which a is equal to negative 9. Magiging positive na to. Kasi s minus negative 9 magiging positive 9. So, simplifying, our final answer is simply equal to 3 over s minus 2 plus 4 over s plus 9. So, these are our final answer for the formula of the Laplace transform of e raised to 80. Again, remember this simple formula for the Laplace transform of e raised to 80. It is equal to 1 over s minus a, in which a is any real number.